Hey, welcome to Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're going to make some stuffed and smoked bacon wrapped chicken bombs, and we're going to show you a great new barbecue tool kit. So y'all stay tuned. So the nice folks over at Barbecue Heat Aid asked us if we'd like to try out their little barbecue tool kit. So just got this a couple days ago. Been waiting to unbox it. Comes very nicely packed. It's actually in a bigger Amazon box. They've even put a little protector right over their logo there. Look at that. Nice little touch. Let's find the opening end of this thing here. It's just like a little briefcase, chrome plated, handle, latches, and we'll open that thing right up there for you. So inside we have several tools here. We have a nice spatula that has a nice sharp edge on one side, serrations on the other, so you can actually cut with it. It actually has a bottle opener right on there. Some teeth on this side. We got a nice set of tongs, a grill brush, a knife, a big fork, a long handle silicone brush. Gonna really like that one. And we have several skewers here. Some that have they're thicker flat ones, and some little skinnier ones. So we're not gonna use those. Grill Heat Aid. Premium quality. If you're not totally satisfied, send the thing right back to them and they'll give you a full refund. So we've got our Weber grill going over here, and we got a little packet. Let's try out the Grill Heat Aid barbecue brush here real quick. That need a little brush down. Wasn't terribly dirty. I really do take care of this grill. Got a scraper on one side, so if you have any of those chips, you can scrape them off. Pretty nice little brush. I guarantee you, if you show up at your buddy's house to help him barbecue, and you got your tools in a briefcase, he's gonna be pretty impressed. Alright, so here's our ingredients for our chicken bombs. We got 3 big cheddar cheese sticks. We got some bacon. I got a couple, just a little bit of sliced green pepper, and I just making a small batch today. We made a big batch of this last night for a test. That's boneless chicken thighs with the skin on. I've deboned those myself, and we've marinated them for about the past hour in mojo marinade. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and take those out of the bag and lay them on our pan. I know it's a hard time of the day to film out here. The sun comes right into the studio here this time of day, and it plays havoc with the cameras. So there are our 3 marinated chicken breasts. Thighs. So the other things that you're going to need: some Seminole Swamp seasoning. We're going with the no MSG version today. If you don't have that, go check out the link in our description box for the website where you can go buy that online. If you don't want to do that today and you don't have time to get it online, just use your favorite season. We have some small skewers. So let me show you how to make the chicken bombs. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to put this pepper on just one of these because Mrs. Backwoods hates green peppers. So I'm going to make one of these for me and 2 of them for her. First thing we're going to do after that is we're going to put our cheese stick right in the middle, kind of in that little pocket where the bone used to live. Alright. Now we're going to grab some. You need a little room to work with here. take a bacon strip, and you don't want to stretch it. Okay, you don't want to stretch it. You want it to be relaxed. Relax, because you know how bacon shrinks when it cooks, right? All bacon shrinks when it cooks. So you want that to be very relaxed. Now I'm going to take my chicken breast. I'm going to lay the skin side toward the middle of that, and I'm going to give it some seasoning. Alright, nice liberal coat of the Seminole Swamp seasoning. Then we're going to fold that bacon in, right into the middle, and then we're going to roll it up. I have to pull it just a little tighter. Roll it up just like that. So now that bacon lays right down the back of our chicken breast. And this one, our chicken thighs, I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and take our skewers. I'm going to pin that all together with at least one on each end. That bacon is going to kind of contain our cheese in there, keep it from running out everywhere. So about 2 skewers, just like that right there. We'll go ahead and finish the rest, and we'll show you what they look like. So there's your 3 bombs. You know, you could also use jalapeno instead of the green pepper in there. We'll go ahead and season the outside of these real well. I'm going to season them on all sides too. Kind of just pick them up, gently turn them over. You definitely want to get a good coat on the outside. So, the grill's getting ready, so let's put these guys on. By the way, make as many of these as you think you can eat. So right before we put them on the grill, we're going to spray them with some olive oil. This is just Pam olive oil. You can use a generic kind. We're going to put them on upside down for most of their cook. We'll flip them over right at the last minute. So Weber Kettle Grill is set up indirect. I got a little packet of a little aluminum foil packet with some holes punched in it. I got some pecan chips in there. Real quick, we're going to lay it bacon side down right over that hot side to get a little sear going on that backside skin. I gotta fix the pin on the last one, but we'll put it on also. Okay, that was only like 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead and move them over to the cool side of the grill. It's just enough to get that bacon going a little bit. Gonna put the lid on. Top door all the way open, bottom door open, half width. Reach into the grill heat aid kit again, and we're going to get their long silicone brush right there. Yeah, I got a little short one right now. It's sometimes gets a little close to the fire, your hand real hot. So time to get a little glaze on these. And what I prepared here, I just set a little ramekin. That's 2 tablespoons of red currant jelly and 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce. So we're just going to get over there and dip that. Start basting these guys. That cheese is melting. Hopefully it didn't all come out of there. We're just going to slather them really well. Give that a little minute and we'll hit them again. It's up to about 400 in there. That's where she's been staying. Looking pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and gently lift this whole pan off of here. Bring it over here to the table. Just let that chill out for a minute. We'll rest, and then we'll pull the skewers out of the chicken bombs. Alright, so let's plate this up Backwoods Gourmet style. Gonna grab our sauce from the grill plate over there. Grab a little bit of that glaze we used. Dribble that right on the plate. Alright, next we have, this is some Spanish rice we just did up. It's got cilantro, cumin, chicken broth in it. Pretty good. Real quick over there on the induction burner, we did some broccoli, just blanched. Okay, 3 minutes. That's it. Ready. Now, let's move our grill heat aid items out of there. And we still got our skewers in these guys. And I really forgot which one had the pepper in it. I think it is this one. So we'll put that one aside. Okay. This, because display plate's always for Mrs. Backwoods, and she does not care for green peppers at all. Let's go right there. Let's get the second one, because that ain't enough to feed a gnat. That's only in them high-end restaurants you go to in New York City to give you that much food. So the great thing about your grill heat aid, everything has a home inside this nice little case. So if you're going over to your friend's house or whatever, or going day tripping like we do a lot, everything is right here inside the box. That's going to be a great little tool for us here at the Backwoods Gourmet channel. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, check out our Amazon store right down here. I'm going to leave you a link in the first comment. Check out our Amazon store. We got great deals on cast iron, Dutch ovens, and all kinds of outdoor cooking gear. If you don't see what you want, just use that search bar and you can buy anything on Amazon. Right there. Hey, thanks for watching the Backwoods Gourmet. If you like what we're doing, please hit the like button right down there. You can subscribe to our channel right here to see another great Backwoods Gourmet video that's going to be right up here, and for a whole playlist of cooking on that good old Weber Kettle Grill, going to be right up there. We'll see you next time.